join with audio button option. Okay, join with audio button option will be there. Please click on it. I'm keeping it here so that people who are not able to hear, they can see. Fine. Okay, chalo. So welcome to Naresh Technologies, a great place for learning Java and Java technologies and any other software. So if you are planning to come to software industry, you can proudly be a member of Naresh Technologies. You will get the best resources, best faculty members, okay, for learning any technology. Okay. Okay, fine. Then next, very interesting. Welcome to Java world, the most interesting world. Okay, if you want to settle your career as a fresher or as an experienced person in a software industry, okay, you are 2021 passed out or 2020 passed out or 2019 passed out or 18 passed out. Okay, you will be considered as a fresher. 2018 to 2021, all these 4 years people or 3 years people will be considered as a freshers. Okay, and you passed out around 2017 or 16 or 2015, like that. If you pass earlier years, now you up to now you are working in a different field. Now you are planning to come to software industry for better life, better salary, betterment purpose, then you are also welcome to software industry. You will be considered as an experienced person. Then immediate question will come, sir, I never worked in a company, I don't know what is happening in the company, how can you call me as experienced? Yeah, your god gift experience, right? Your gap is the god gift experience. That gap will be considered as an experience. Sir, how can I work in the company if I got job as a 3+ years of experience? I don't know anything, company expecting from me lot of things. Yeah, so we are the software engineers. Okay, we already worked in company. What work will be there in the company, we know. And what type of assignments you are getting, what type of tasks you are getting, we know. How to handle the task, we know. So as part of our course duration, we are during the course, we are going to guide you how to write the code. So our course is a bridge between your college and software industry. So we are going to fill the gap between college level learning and company level learning. So we are just teaching everything whatever there in the company, nothing more. Okay, so by end of the course completed, all the people will become 100% project developers. Any task your team lead giving in the company, you are happily easily you can develop within the given scheduled time. So like that we are going to provide you training. Is everyone understand? So no need to worry about anything. Just leave your worries to us. Okay, as Naresh faculties, we are taking care of everything for your career. Simple what I always say to your juniors, your seniors, your success is our success. Until you get succeeded, we don't leave you. Are you catching my point? So every time, every minute we are running behind you, and we will make you perfect in programming, and we will make you perfect as a fresher and as an experience. So by end of this course completed, I am promising you, I will make you 3+ years of experienced developers. You are not working any company. Okay, you are really fresher, you don't know anything, but still you are in a position to write a code. The knowledge equal to 3+ years of experienced programmer. Okay, a person who working in company for last 3 years, how much code he can write, how much efficient code he can write, how much he can think, that much code, that much thinking levels also you are going to get by end of the course. Just believe us and follow us, it's more than enough. Just leave all your worries to us, be relaxed. Okay, we will take care of it. It's like you believing doctor na. So you are suffering from some headache or stomach pain or fever or something. Now you are surrendering your body to the doctor. Whatever the prescription given by doctor, silently you are taking that prescription, that medicine, and wearing, you are swallowing that medicine. Next day by end, okay, you are getting cured and become active and started working your daily work. Same way we are the doctors to you. Currently you are suffering from a disease called no Java knowledge. Okay, so now we are giving giving a medicine called Core Java. Okay, with this medicine Core Java, with the medicine Advanced Java, with the medicine frameworks, with the medicine Spring Boot and microservices, with the medicine real-time project. So we are curing your problem and making you a best Java developer, a best project developer, and sending to software industry. So we are the specialist doctors for you. Just you leave your worries to us. We will take care of everything. You no need to worry. Just you need to believe us like you believing you are a doctor. That's it. So now, welcome to Naresh IT and welcome to Java World. Naresh IT providing you the best faculty members for your career, okay, for your learning process, for any technology. And Java providing you a job, okay, either as a fresher or as a experience. Okay, then immediately we'll get a question. Sir, my friend is asking me to join Python. Should I choose Java or should I choose Python? Okay, then what I should learn, sir? Now I'm in confusion. Many of my friends are telling Java is gone from the market. Okay, Python is coming in the market. Okay, this point I will talk tomorrow. Then you can take a decision. Today I'm not going to talk anything technology wise. Today I'm not going to talk anything about Java or Python or C sharp or whatever. So tomorrow class I'm going to give you clarity on Java is best or Python is best. Okay, both are best. Okay, what you have to learn, that clarity I'm going to give you tomorrow. Then you can take decision, right? So these are the demo classes. You no need to do any payment. Okay, just you continue the class, attend the class, and you can take the decision by end of tomorrow class. Is it clear my point? Today I'm not going to talk about comparison between Java and Python. Today I want to set up your mind, and then I want to take you to further levels. Is it clear my point? So today and tomorrow 4 hours you need to spend the time. It's more than enough. You yourself come to a decision. Okay, what to learn? Java should learn or Python should learn? Okay, Java really going out of the market? Is Python really taking the Java place? Okay, we will take the decision. Okay, the rumor running in the market saying Java is out from the market, is it real or not? Okay, so that we are going to see in tomorrow class. Is it clear? Listen, don't ask any questions, please. I told you already, at end of class, I will take your questions, okay? If I didn't answer your question, then I will take your question. So please don't post any questions. Try to listen. When I'm asking questions, try to give answer, that's it. From your side, don't post any questions until 5:45. Is it clear my point? Until 5:45, don't post any questions. Please listen what I am trying to tell. Surrender your brain to me. Surrender your brain to me. Don't use your brain until 6:45. Don't raise any questions. It will disturb you. It will disturb the class. Are you catching my point? Because I cannot answer. I have my own flow of trying to talk some points to you, right? So I cannot stop this discussion and I cannot answer to your question. That's why please surrender your body and brain to me, and don't use your hands for chatting to type the question. Only use your hands for only answer to my questions. Is it clear to all? So now shall I start the class? So now Java World is providing you the best door, the immediate door to enter it into software industry. I can say Java is the best, no doubt in that. Whatever the world is telling, don't care. As a experienced person, I am telling you, as I am seeing in the world, I am telling you, Java ever will be there in the market. No language can replace Java. Okay, few years back, okay, C Sharp.NET came into market and telling that I am going to replace Java. C Sharp.NET after few years gone. Okay, next Scala language came into market and telling that I am going to replace Java. After few months itself, not few years. C Sharp.NET takes some years, but a Scala language within few months, now it has gone out from the market. Okay, no language can replace Java. It's impossible. That is the feeling of the people only. Okay, and the next, now Python came from 2018 onwards. Python came into market telling that I will replace Java. Python never say I replace Java. Python developer never say. Python inventor person, okay, he never says I will replace Java. Okay, for example, simple example I'll tell you, Bhaiya. Now tell me, in the market, Splendor bike is there. Okay, Splendor bike is there. Now the new bike Pulsar came. Can Pulsar replace a Splendor bike? Okay, can Bullet replace a Pulsar bike? Every bike has their own sales, right? So no one can replace other person. Okay, I will ask you another question. Try to think. Python invented first, Java invented first? Quick, I want to give you one small point so that your mind will get some confidence to listen. Python came into market first, Java came into market first? Who invented first? Which language was invented first? Python invented first in 1989, I guess. Okay, 1989 on. Yeah, 1989 only Python was invented, I guess. Okay, Python is the old language. When Python already there in the market, why James Gosling invented Java? Java invented in 1995. Okay, and Python was already there in the market in 1989, I guess. Okay, not exactly remember the number. Okay, so Python was already there in the market. When Python already there, why Java came? Why James Gosling couldn't use couldn't use Python to develop applications? Python has so many limitations. Okay, by using Python, you cannot develop a main application. Python is a scripting language. Scripting language will work part of one programming. Okay, one programming language, under the one programming language. Okay, what you call scripting languages will work. Tell me, JavaScript, people who know the UI side, JavaScript can run directly in the browser without HTML? No, HTML is the main language. Under Python, under what is running? JavaScript is running. Similarly, Java is the main language. Under Java, Python is running. I will show you examples also in the coming class. I mean, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'm going to show you. Python cannot replace Java. People are more searching for Python, more learning Python because there is a boom for the Python. It doesn't mean that, Java removing from market. Earlier I was thinking that, cycle after bikes are coming into market. I thought of cycle gone from the market. There is no cycle shops. There is no cycle mechanic workers are not there. After, when I plan to buy a cycle for my son, I went to different cycle shops. I shocked. When I was buying cycle, its cost is around 100, 200 rupees. Now cycle, if you wanted to buy, it is almost 5,000 to 7,000 rupees. When I heard that number, 7,000 rupees, is an ordinary normal cycle, okay? It is not a gear cycle, no facility cycle. Simple gear, normal cycle, 7,000 rupees. I just got shocked. Array, I thought of cycle gone from the market. It will be less cost will be there, I thought. But still, it's a demand is there. And when I go to cycle shop, repairing shop, there is a big queue is there to get repair my cycle. It took almost 1 hour. So Java is a kind of cycle, okay? You cannot replace Java. Many languages are coming and going, but Java is there forever. That's why I'm telling Java is the best language you have chosen. Java is the best thing you have chosen to enter it into software industry. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? So this is what my best suggestion to you all. Java is evergreen. And next tell me, is it, there is a already, Hyderabad you take. In Hyderabad, already so many companies are established. Tell me, if you come to Hyderabad for getting job, it is very easy. Are you catching my point? Bangalore is already fully established before Java. I mean, before Hyderabad. If you go to Bangalore, you will get job more easily, very fast. For example, you take, Bhubaneswar. Okay, Odisha, Bhubaneswar you take. Now it is growing city, right? Now so many software companies are slowly coming to Bhubaneswar. And now you've come to Andhra, Vijayawada or Vizag. Now the software companies are growing there. Tell me, if you go to Bhubaneswar now, if you go to Vijayawada or Visakhapatnam, Vizag, will you get job quickly? No, right? Because it's less opportunities are there. Then tell me, if you choose Python as the language, it is a newly emerging in the market. If you choose Python and less opportunities are there, less companies are there, less projects are there, then tell me, will you get job quickly? Okay, as a fresher, maybe you will get quickly, but as an experienced person, can you get quickly? There are no old projects. Experienced people required for managing old projects, right? So now you take decision quickly. I given 2 examples to you to decide, should I continue in Java, should not continue in Java. Okay. Now, if you wanted to continue in Java, if you want to get a job quickly, during course completion itself, in the middle of the course itself, if you want to get a job, okay, at least by end of the course completed, if you want to get a job, then I suggested, strongly I suggested Java is the best choice. Python is not the worst. Python is a worst choice. Python is not the good choice. Python knowledge is required because training language. But with Python, if you are planning to get the job, it takes a lot of time for you. If you are in Java field, on Java, there are so many companies are there, so many opportunities are there, so many projects are running in the market. Okay, you will get job very fast, very quickly. I will show you all your seniors getting jobs, okay? And I'll show you tomorrow I'll show you your seniors got the job. Now currently in Java, what is their position? How many lakhs of rupees they're earning as a experienced person within 2 to 3 years? I will show you some slides, okay? Okay, tomorrow I'm going to show you them. Today I don't want to entertain. Today I don't want to enter into them. Tomorrow I'll show you all the details. Is it clear? So Java is the best choice for you to get job. So any of your seniors or any of the person outside roads telling that are Java out from the market, look at them and smile them. Okay, don't worry. If Java gone, if Kava is coming, if Bava is coming, some other language is coming, I can learn that language quickly with the help of Java knowledge, because Java is a full-fledged programming language. Are you catching my point? Okay, Java is full-fledged programming language. Let me tell you one small thing here. You learn how to swim in a ocean. Then swimming in a small swimming pool is easy or not? You passed BTech. You passed BTech. Now I am giving you one LKG book to read stories. Is it easy or not? Are you catching my point? So Python is a LKG level programming language. Are you catching my point? If you learn Java, Java is a master's programming language. You know Python at what age people learning in foreign? Third class, fourth class students will learn Python. Okay, Java when they learn, when they're in the masters, when they're doing masters, Java they learn. So tell me, which is the toughest language? Java is the toughest language. Python is a budgie language. So when you decided to learn Java, if interviewer required Python or if company required Python, can't you learn within days? Within days, can you learn Python and ready for the Python projects development? Change your mindset. Change your mindset. Tell them. If anybody say that, Array, Java, you are learning time waste. Tell them, Array, Tumri fellow, I am learning a bullet. I'm learning bike bullet. If you ask me to ride cycle, I can easily ride cycle. If I learn cycle, I cannot ride bullet. Okay, bullet is Java, Python is cycle. Hope you are all comfortable. Now got confidence that learning Java is the best choice. Is it clear to all? Hope you are comfortable now. If anybody coming and asking you, Array, Java gone from the market, Python you learn. Now you will not get tension now. You will get a smile face, right? You will get smile face. When I say Python, they're in the market, Java gone from market. If they say, you will get smile face. Okay, fine. Now moving to the next slide. Welcome to, welcome to HK Programming World. Okay, welcome to HK Programming World. Programming learning is simplified. Okay, welcome to HK Programming World. Programming learning is simplified. HK means Hare Krishna Ravaya, me, myself, Hare Krishna. Okay, it's my programming world. Why I'm telling it's my programming world? The way I teach, the way I launch a subject, the way I introduce to you, you don't find anywhere. No textbook, no website. Even James Kosling also will not teach as I am teaching. Who invented Java? James Kosling. So if James Kosling listen my class, he will surprise. Maybe you are feeling that I'm proud myself. No, I'm telling truth. Okay, I'm telling you truth. I'm not proud myself. I'm not head weight. I'm telling you Why I'm calling it HK programming world? The way the programming I introduced to you is completely different from the way you learn in colleges. The way websites are there, the way textbooks are there. Okay, it's a completely new world. I'm taking you as 0% knowledge person, zero. Okay, I'm taking you as 0% and I will make you expert. So welcome to HK programming world. It's a completely a new world, a very exciting world, and you will definitely enjoy, definitely you will love, and I'm sure within 2 to 3 days you will fall in love with Java. I'm sure I'm telling you, within 2 to 3 days, you will fall in love with Java. Are you catching my point? So just believe me and come to my world and I'll make you expert. Are you catching my point? HK programming world is a source for your success. Your success is my success. If you succeeded, I will succeeded in my career. Okay, just believe me and follow. And then, what is the agenda of this today class? Today class, I want to introduce myself. Today, I want to know about yourself and I want to introduce about Naresh IT and our course schedule and everything. Okay. So I am MCA graduate having 16 plus years of experience, 15 plus years of 16 plus years of teaching experience, 15 plus years of development experience. Okay. I started my career as a Java trainer. I love teaching. I want to make Arjunas. I want to make, I am Drona, I want to be a Dronacharya. I want to make more Arjunas. Okay. I don't want to be a king. I want to be a kingmaker. That is what my dream. I want to produce many best software, quality software engineers to the software industry. That is what my target. Okay. So because I am from MCA background, okay, I can make you strong in academic level. And also because I am from the software industry, I can make you strong in programming also. Academic wise and also programming projects development wise, I'll make you strong. Okay, then next, I wanted to know something about you. In this session, let us know each other. Okay, because we wanted to travel together so many days, right? Almost 3-4 months we are traveling each other. So I want to know about you. I told about me. I want to know about you. Okay, and I want to know this course. I want you know about this course, and I want you know about Naresh IT, how Naresh IT can benefit you. So taking admission in Naresh IT is a best choice or not best choice. Okay, you have to take decision. And then about your career, okay, and about projects and about courses, and finally about Java and about Python I'm going to introduce. Okay, right. So now these are the 8 topics. First, I want you know before entering into learning what is Java, why Java, how Java, which Java, the regular course. So this is the base. And next, I told you I'll start from zero. So today class is also part of our course only. Don't feel that today class is demo class. No, 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 no. In my class, nothing is demo, nothing is a time pass. Okay. So either you done the payment or not doing the payment. That is Naresh IT administrator headache, not my headache. Today is the first class of our course. So please pay attention. Even though I'm not talking about what is Java, why Java, Java related points. Today class is the most important for your career. You are here not to write any academic exam. You are here to settle your career. So first you have to set up your mind. That is more important. If you set up your mind properly, then the journey will be easy. You want to come from your native place to Hyderabad. So you set up your mind, whatever happened, you have to come to Hyderabad. So you took decision and then you started. Same way, if you want to start a Java journey, you have to set up your mind. What type of mind you need, that's what I'm trying to talk today. Okay, are you ready to help me to talk with me? Now, I want you to tell about you. Okay, tell me all you people. Come on. Tell me all about what are you, why are you here? All you people try to use the chat window and try to answer. Why are you here? Everyone answer. Please try to give response. Okay, don't be passive. Please be active. Very important. Act 2 is very, very important. Act 2 status is very important. Okay, now come on, try to type. Why are you here? Why are you here? For learning Java? Wonderful, wonderful. All people are telling for learning Java. Excellent. Okay, that's why I'm smiling. Okay, I'm smiling. Learning Java. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, tell me, why are you learning Java, Buji? Why are you learning Java? Come on. Why are you learning Java? For completing course? Excellent question I'm asking. Try to answer. Why are you here for completing course? Why are you here for completing course or for getting job? Hmm? Why are you here for completing course or for getting job? Many students are feeling that I should complete course. I should complete course, I should complete course. If you are having a mindset that I want to complete course, that is a wrong thought. Okay, you are not here for completing course. By completing course, you will become just Java knowledgeable person, Java known person. You cannot get a job. Are you catching my point? Right. So many of people are giving the choice. Yeah, okay, I'm here to get the job. That's wonderful, wonderful. Tell me now, after getting job, what will you do in company? After getting job, what will you do in company? After getting job, what will you do in company? After getting job in company, you will sleep. Excellent here. Okay, will you teach Java there, or will you develop project there? Please take it serious, Nana. Please take it serious. Okay, don't be jovial. It's very important question. After getting job, will you teach or will you develop project? Right? In company, you are not going to teach Java. In company, you are not going to write Java projects, right? You are not going to write Java, what you call exams. You are there for a developing project. So we come to the last point, very important point. Then tell me, for developing projects, what you must learn? For developing projects, what you must learn? You must learn only Java. Is it sufficient? Okay, if you learn Java, what you learn? What is Java? How to write hello world program? How to find given number palindrome or not? How to find given number Armstrong number or not? Okay, what is a loop? What is that? What is this? Only you will try to, your target is only whatever programs you learn in academics, same programs you want me to teach again here. Is it sufficient? Already in your academics you learn programs, right? What is palindrome number, what is Armstrong number, how to write a program, already you learn. Now in this Java course, if you ask me again, in this Java course, if you ask me again, teach me Java, then is it sufficient? No, you must learn Java and project development. Is it clear my point? Just learning Java is not sufficient. You must learn Java and project development. That means what is our course must be? Is it just Java, or project development by using Java? Tell me, which course you want me to take? Which course you want me to take? Java or project development by using Java? Choose one, not both. You want me to teach only Java, or you want me to teach project development by using Java? You are here to develop project. Change your mindset, change your target. All you people are here just to know Java, to learn Java, to learn Java. After learning Java, you have to develop project in company. Then who will teach you project development using Java? There is a two things are there. Now you are learning cycle riding here. You are learning cycle just to go on the road. Okay, just learning cycle to go on the road, it's okay. But you are learning cycle to participate in a competition, then you should learn cycle to participate in competition. You have to focus on that point in your mind, right? You want to go to slow cycle in competition, then you have to learn slow cycling. Every minute you have to apply cycle riding on slow cycling, or fast cycling you are planning to learn. How to balance the cycle, how to ride the cycle, you should learn. Just learning cycle is not sufficient. That's what, just learning Java not sufficient. If you want to become a lecturer in one college, just learning Java sufficient. Okay, but if you want to go to software company to develop project, just learning Java not sufficient. You should learn project development by using Java. Tell me, all you people are agreed to teach you Java project development using Java? All you agreed? All you agreed? Shall I teach you project development by using Java? Can I construct a bridge to fill the gap between college to what do you call company, to teach you how to develop project? Wonderful, wonderful. Then tell me, we are here for what? What is our target? Our target is become Java student, becoming Java student. Come on, come on, come on. Say yes or no. Your target is becoming Java student? Chichi, never. Our target is becoming software engineer. No, Java student, Java developer. No, you are here to become software engineer. If you say Java developer, you are fixed with one thing, right? You are here not to become Java developer, or you are here not to become Java student. We are here to become software engineer for developing project in company. So by end of the course, By end of the course, we must become a software engineer for developing a project by using Java. So hope I am changing your mindset. Come on, come on. I want to change your mindset from learning Java to become Java student to learning Java for becoming Java student to learning project development to become Java software engineer. Are you ready? All are you ready now? Are you agreeing with my statements? You want to become Java student or Java software engineer? All are agreed to become Java software engineer? Shall I take the course 2 words to make you software engineer? Are you ready to believe me and walk with me? I am a software engineer. I can make you software engineer. Okay. I'm a software engineer. I can make you software engineer. You can see in industry, a actor can make his child, his son or daughter as an actor. A doctor can make his son or a daughter as an actor. Okay, right. So same way, a software engineer can make, you know, a student as what, a person as what, software engineer easily. So believe me and continue. But I have a question, sir. Tell me, what is the role of software engineer in the company? In company, software engineer role is sticking to one language to develop project. Java projects development or projects development. What is your role in company? Can you try to answer? What is your role in company? Is your role in company develop projects development, but not Java projects development, but not Python projects development, but not data science projects development, but not Scala projects development, but not C#.NET project development? Yes or no? Tell me, you want to become KL Rahul or you want to become Hardik Pandya? You know, Hardik Pandya, if he is fit, at any time his place is confirmed, right? Because he is a all-rounder. He can bowl, he can bat, and he can, you know, he can field, he can do anything, right? Uh, Hardik Pandya means here I'm talking about all-rounder. Are you catching my point? Chaitanya, it is not recorded session, Nana. It is a live session only. Okay, I'm interacting with you. Okay, now, so he is an all-rounder. KL Rahul is also all-rounder. Wicket keeping plus batting, but little bit all-rounder. Okay, so you want to become a specialist on particular language, or you want to become an all-rounder. Okay, that is very important. My target by end of this course, I want to make you all-rounder. Are you ready? Tell me, you learn how to ride a cycle here. Again, coming back to cycle, okay? Then you have a one Tumri cycle, okay? One low level cycle, a normal cycle you have. Your friend suddenly bought one gear cycle, high-end cycle, sports cycle. You wish to ride the cycle, na? You will start requesting, please draw, one round draw, please draw, right? Are you getting a fear? Come on, come on. Are you getting any fear to ride the cycle? Hey, it is a new cycle, now you don't know about it, right? Why are you not getting fear? Come on, come on. Why you are not getting fear? You learn one cycle and you are trying to ride another cycle. Why you are not getting fear? Because you didn't learn this cycle riding. You learn cycle riding. Your mind you set up to ride a cycle, not this cycle. Try to understand my statement, okay? This statement come to your mind, then you are going to change your complete programming world. Very, very important. You are, while riding cycle, you are not learning that cycle, you are learning how to ride a cycle. Then now you are going to apply this cycle riding mechanism, cycle riding approach on any cycle, because every cycle is made up of same thing, na? Everybody got clarity here? So cycle riding you learn by using one cycle, then same cycle riding approach you are applying on every cycle. Got clarity, Nana? Same thing, why can't you think in programming world? You learn how to develop project by using Java. Tomorrow, if company asks to develop project by using Python, can you develop? Day after tomorrow, he is asking you to develop project by using C#.NET. Can you develop? Yes. Why? Because you are learning a programming language. That means you should learn a programming language contains what? Then those concepts in Java, how it will be there, you are learning. Parallelly to Java, if you also have awareness on another language which is trending in the market, by the end of our course completed, if you have two languages, one is mastering, another is awareness, then tell me you will become all-rounder na? In company, any language they're asking you to develop project, can you develop, right? So Java is your own cycle and your friend cycle is Python. So tell me, can you become all-rounder now? Come on. By end of this course, you must become an all-rounder. Means you must able to develop a project by using any programming language. This is what my target. I'm giving you target to you. I'm giving target to you. I want you develop a project by using any language. Should not fix with Java or should not with fix with Python. Okay, any of your friends are telling, "Arey, Python is trending right in market. Why you are learning Java?" Tell them, "Arey, tomorrow fellow, along with Java, I'm also learning Python. I don't want to be a Pythonist. I don't want to be a Javaist. I want to become all-rounderist. Okay, I want to become Java Pythonist." Are catching my point? So what are the languages? Any language means what? What are the languages? Java or Python or another language there in the market trending called Go language. Google has developed another language called Go as a procedural language. So some people are also using what? Go language also. So this is what my target. Slowly I'm changing your mind. You come to this course to learn Java. From Java to I make it as a software engineer. From software engineer, I'm making you as a all-rounder. You must in a position to develop project by using any language. So our course is project development by using any language. Are you ready? But we cannot choose any language. We have to choose one language. That one language I'm choosing as Java. Right? We have to require one cycle. Na? One cycle required. Which cycle I have to take? The cycle which provide the opportunity, more opportunities for me to get the job. So that more opportunities and very tough language people are feeling, that language I'm picking. Okay, I'm kind of a very tough guy. I wanted to choose the most toughest thing to become expert, to understand easy things easily. You know, in my academics, whenever I am studying, I'm preparing for the exam, generally we have a target. Na? Complete 1 year will waste our time. Tomorrow morning 9 o'clock exam and today night 6 o'clock we'll start sitting and reading, right? What do you say, Rachna? Okay, Rachna Sridhar, can you tell me, if you want tomorrow morning 9 o'clock exam means today evening 6 o'clock we'll start, na? Rachna Sridhar is feeling that is a recorded video. Oh, because I'm talking continuously, that's why I'm feeling my classes are like this, okay? I'll keep on talk continuously, okay? Now it's not recorded video, it is a live class only. And try to answer to my question. Okay, try to answer to my question. What I'm trying to talk? I forgot the question, yeah, because you disturbed me. Yeah, tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock exam means today night only we start reading all these things, right? Now, what I did, I choose 5 questions. 5 questions I'll choose from the previous question papers, 5 questions I'll choose. In that 5 questions, the toughest questions first I will complete. And I'll push easy questions to last. Yeah, one day batting, okay? Now earlier it is a 50-50 match. Now it is a 20-20 batting, okay? So the toughest questions first I'll complete and easy questions I'll push for the next. So people are feeling Java is very tough, Python is easy. I'm learning Java, the most toughest language. Then Python is after all for me. Just like that I can learn myself. So finally, I'm giving conclusion. By end of our course, I want you become a full stack developer. Are you ready? A full stack developer is a person who can develop project using any language, any part of the project. Okay, I want to make you, if you allow me, it's all in your wish, sir. Okay, doctor ready to treat your body, but you must allow him, right? Doctor ready to treat your body, but you are allow him. So same way, now I am ready to make you a full stack developer. Means I want to make you a person who can develop project by using any language, any part of the project, using any technology. So that is what my target. Hope you all ready to become. Finally, tell me, what is your target in this course? Learning Java? I want hear from you. Please give me conclusion. I want hear from you. Ayo, somebody is telling that. Somebody is telling that. Project development by using Java. If you say Java, your mind stick to the Java only, Nana. Don't stick to Java. Java is one language. When somebody asks you, what are you doing? You say what? Cycle riding, right? Which cycle riding? You never say. That's what my intention. Okay, you learn how to eat chicken biryani. You learn how to eat chicken biryani. Tomorrow, if I give mutton biryani, can you eat or not? So you are here for developing project by using any language to become full stack developer. Okay, Kartikeya, I'm getting your messages. Okay, don't worry. So we must learn project development. Are you catching my point? Trupti Maske. Is it right? Did I pronounce correctly? Trupti Maske. Yeah, your point is correct. I will teach Java in depth with memory diagrams, and I'll make you yourself can learn other languages. Okay? So don't worry. Now tell me, hope I change your mindset. I hope I change your mindset for learning from just Java 2 to become software engineer. Did I come to conclusion that? Right? I'll start this course from very scratch, zero. I am not expecting anyone to have any prerequisite knowledge. So then to start this project development using Java or any language, so first I wanted to give the course schedule about this course. Because I'm choosing Java, okay? I am choosing Java because I want you choose one language which will give you more opportunities to get the job. So that is Java, my favorite subject. You know, in Amirpet, many faculties has moved from Java to Python teaching. Okay, many faculties, even .NET faculties, even HTML faculties, many people are moving from their field to Python teaching. But I am not moving. Catching my point? I am not moving. I am with Java only. I'll be with Java forever. Okay, Chinchu Babu, why you are feeling that it is a recorded video, Nana? Chinchu Babu? Chinchu Babu. It's not recorded video, it's a live session only, okay? You want me to stop middle? If people want me to stop middle and sometimes sleep and wake up and come, okay? It's not recorded video, Nana. It's a live session only, okay? Let me write that one, okay? Ayyo, people are feeling that. That's what, you should not come up with your own ideas, okay? Okay. Now tell me. I want to let you know about this course. Now try to answer. Okay, look at here. First, let us concentrate on this one, and I'll come back to your doubts. About this course, I want to first give you schedule of this course, because you are all asking that how many days, what is the fees and all. This course name is what? Can you please confirm? Come on, come on. Course name, course name. This course name is what? Ray, again you are come up with your own name only. This course name is project development using Java, na? Right. In Java, we have 5 parts: core Java, advanced Java, advanced Java, frameworks, Spring Boot microservices, Java real-time project. 5 parts are there. Among these 5 parts, I am responsible to teach you only core Java, that is language. So core Java with project development, first I am going to teach you. Okay, core Java with project development I am teaching. Is it clear? I am responsible to teach you only core Java with project development. Next faculty, Natara sir, will teach you advanced Java with project development. Same faculty, Natara sir, will teach you frameworks with project development. Next, Spring Boot and microservices, either Natara sir or Raghu sir will teach you Spring Boot with microservices with project development. At end, Raghu sir will take real-time project development using Java. Are you catching my point? So Java course is divided into 5 sections. I am responsible to make you teach language part. The language part is what? Core Java. And advanced Java is technologies. Frameworks and Spring Boot microservices is project level courses. Is it clear? Then this course type of training is, it is fully online. Okay. Offline is not allowing by government now. So it is only online course. Fully online till end. Okay, right. So now type of training is fully online till end of the course. Okay, don't post your own questions. I cannot reply you to personally. Please wait until end of the session. End of the session, I will take your questions. Okay, Nana, please wait. Next course name, core Java with project development, type of training fully online till last session. There is no offline. Okay. The next duration will be, tell me, what is the duration you're expecting? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? Can you tell me your expectation? How many months you can spend with me to learn this course? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, till all topics completed. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, till all topics completed. Huh? What is your thought? Array, 4 years of your academics you successfully wasted and you didn't get anything there. Now you come to here and you want to complete your entire 70 years of your career in 1 month. How foolish fellow you are. How much foolish thinking you are having. Think. Change your mind. It's very, very important. Array, this is your life, right? Now this course is your life. You want to settle your career, right? Come on. You want to settle your career. You want to get a job. Next 70 years, your career, your life is depending on this course. How dare you to keep deadlines? in 70 days, 1 month I want. Some students are asking me, sir, is it possible to complete in 1 week? Wow, wonderful, marvelous. Huh? How can you put the deadlines? So it is really, really bad. Change your mind. Okay, you must not have any deadline in your mind. You should keep a deadline in your mind. Until all topics completed, I will be with this course. It takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Let it be there, because I want to learn fully. Then only I can get job. Na? There are two types of people are there who wanted to complete course fast, searching for the job, fail in that job, collect the questions in that interview, come back. And again, second interview go, again you fail, collect the interview questions from the second interview, keep with the first interview. Like that, almost 20 interviews you attend, and it was 20 first interview you will pass. What you did last 20 interviews, you keep on collecting questions. What question you are collecting. Finally, in the 21 interview, you pass because all questions you gathered. Then tell me, you complete a course in 1 month, but these 20 interviews to attend, you took almost 1 year. Is it okay for you? You also want to travel in the same path as your senior traveled? Your senior, your brother, your sister, okay, who traveled in the same way you wanted to travel? You want your first interview is the last interview? Come on. You want your first interview as a last interview? What the meaning of first interview, last interview, buddy? You want success in the first interview itself. That's what my question. You don't want to fail in first interview itself, right? You want appointment letter in the first interview. Now you want to choose company, or company choose you. Which option you want? You want to choose company, or company should choose you? You must in a position to choose companies. You must have multiple appointment letters in your hand, and you should demand company, right? I have another company giving 4 lakhs. If you give 4 lakhs, I will come. Another company giving 5 lakhs as my salary. If you want to give, I will come to your company. You should come to a stage to demand company to get salary. You should not choose. Company should not choose you. You must choose company. You should not beg company. Company should beg you to work. Are you catching my point? I want put you in a demanding position, not in a begging position. Are you ready to for that purpose? Are you ready to come to that stage? I want you demand company. I don't want you beg the company. One fine day when you're resigning from the company should request you. Hey, tell me, Rabbi, what facilities you want. I'm ready to provide. Don't go from my company. Tell me what facilities you want. You want separate cabin? You want separate car facility? You want separate? Yes, I want that. I will come. So that position I wanted to put. Are you ready for that? Then if you want that much knowledge, you must spend sufficient time. You must give me sufficient time. Are you ready to give me sufficient time? You want me to trouble me? You want make me hurry barily to teach? You want me to teach each and every point in detail? Because I want you to learn one time and settle in your life forever. Saturday, Sunday in company, after getting job, Saturday, Sunday you have free time, na? I don't want you spend that Saturday, Sunday free time for studying. I want you enjoy your life. Are you catching my point? After getting job, Saturday, Sunday, I don't want you spend your time for learning anything. Saturday, Sunday, I want you spend your time with your family, with your lover. If you spend your time with your lover and your family members, no, you don't get divorce, you don't get breakup, na? Why software engineers are getting breakup? Because they are very busy in studying always, because lot of tension. While studying, they didn't learn properly. So now is the time you have to invest your time. Are you ready to invest your time? If I ask more time, are you ready to invest your more time without any paying additional amount? 1 rupee also I don't ask anything. I want only time. If you're ready to give your time to me, I'll make you successful in your life. Okay? Sir, my brother, my father give me only 3 months, sir, or 2 months, sir, I should get a job. Tell them, motivate them. Or if they are not motivated, please connect me to your parents, I will talk. Array, 4 years of engineering life they have spent, they are bear you. Can't they bear more 1 year? Are you that much burden to them? So tell them, Areba, I take an admission in Aresh IT Hare Krishna batch. My success is guaranteed. Just give me time. Let course complete. Okay. So I'm requesting you all, please give the time. Don't have any deadline. I will put my deadline. Okay. You don't have any deadline. Just to daily follow me, whatever I'm teaching, just you listen and practice and come back. Definitely, I will guarantee your success. Okay. Whatever the motivation I given to you, 20 interviews, tell to your parents, okay, Nana, I will complete the course. 20 interviews, I will fail. Is it okay? Or let me spend the time with Hare Krishna. He will teach me everything. First interview only, I will get the job with complete high package with a minimum 3+ lakh per annum. Okay, if I complete within 30 days, 2 months, I'll get the salary of 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay, if I spend the sufficient time, minimum 3 lakh package, I'm guaranteeing. So tell me what you want. Tell them, tell to your parents. If they are not listening, ask them to talk. My number is open. Anybody can call at any time. So now, but I cannot go years together to teach. I need to take some deadline. Okay, so minimum I am taking 3 months, 60 to 70 sessions. It may go up to 3 months. Okay, minimum 3 months you have to spend time with me. Hello, I'm not talking maximum 3 months, I'm talking minimum 3 months, 3 months plus. All are ready na? If you are capable of spending time minimum 3 months plus, and you want to guarantee your success with me, then join with me. If you want to join now and every day, if you ask me, sir, when course completed, please don't join and don't trouble me. I'm openly I'm talking. I'm not commercial. I'm not money minded. I am service oriented. Okay, I resign my development field and come to teaching field to serve to the students, to give the best life to your parents, not to you. Hello, understand my statement? I want to see your parents happy, not you. Are you catching my point? I want to make your parents happy, not you. If I give success to you, automatically your parents will be successful. Automatically your parents are happy, right? And your next generation will be happy, your children. So I want to make you as a bridge between your parent generation and your children generation, to make two generations happy. If you are successful in your career, so many people, so many generations will become rich people. Okay, so give me sufficient time for me. I'm taking minimum 3 months. Okay, I will try to complete in 3 months. If I am unable to complete in 3 months, you must give me time to teach more. Are you catching my point? Right, more 1 hour, 1 or 1.5 month if I'm taking also, you must agree with that. If that way you take admission, if you are having deadlines, in 1 month I should complete course, 2 months should complete course, please don't join in my course. In Naresh IT, other faculties are there, you can choose them. Are you catching my point? I will not run behind the time, I will run behind subject to make you expert. Okay, if you are worrying about the time, choose the faculty who is running behind the time. I hope my statement is clear, so that in future we don't have any problem. I don't have any disturbance. And the daily class timing will be 2 hours. Okay, so daily class timing is 2 hours. 4 to 6 will be the class, or 4 to 5:55. Maximum 1 hour 55 minutes class will be there. Okay, and number of days per week will be 6 days per week, Monday to Saturday. You are not a software engineer to take Saturday, Sunday off above. Okay, you are a software student. As a software student, if you work hard, then you'll become software engineer, right? So 6 days per week, Monday to Saturday. And every week I have a schedule. If the schedule is not reaching because you are learning slow, today topic postponed to tomorrow, or if at all, if I'm not feeling well, if one day if I don't take class, then compensation class will be there on Sunday also. Sunday also class will be there, you must come. Are you ready? So keep in your mind 7 days a week. 6 days compulsory, 1 day buffer. 6 days compulsory, 1 day buffer you keep. Okay, na? And next fee will be 2,500. 2,500 is more fees, less fees, medium fees. What do you feel? What do you feel? 2,500. Oh my God, 2,500. Hey, just question yourself, buddy. I am not teaching just core Java. I am teaching core Java with project development. I am making you 100% knowledgeable person. I'm not making you 25% knowledgeable person, right? If you take your North India core Java course, they charging only core Java 1 month, 10,000 minimum they are charging. If you go to Bangalore, 15,000 they are charging. Core Java, only core Java, strictly 30 sessions, Core Java completed. And with that knowledge, if you come out, nothing will come. 15,000 rupees waste. Are you catching my point? So I am charging, means Naresh IT charging only 2,500 rupees with a full-fledged knowledge, Core Java with project development. Are you catching my point? They will add, industrial, Java training. Finally, they teach nothing, zero knowledge you will get, nothing you understand. If you sacrifice 1 month branded jeans pant buying, 1 month your clothes buying, if you sacrifice 2 t-shirts or 1 jeans pant, if you sacrifice, your entire 70 years of career is guaranteed. Are you catching my point? I am telling you, try to accept my statement. If you sacrifice 1 month, you are buying clothes now, t-shirts, 2 t-shirts or 1 branded jeans. If you sacrifice 70 years of your life, I am giving to you. That much guarantee I'll give. Is it clear? So don't think about, 2,500 is more fees. It's after all fees. Okay. Just one weekend party, if you sacrifice, you will get 70 years of your career. It is only for Core Java, not including other courses. I'm talking about only Core Java, Nana. Only Core Java course is 2,500. For Advanced Java, separate fees. For Spring Boot microservices, separate fees. And real-time projects, separate fees. Only for Core Java, you need to pay 2,500. Is it clear to all? Right. Then moving to the next. Tell me what the prerequisites to learn Java. Tell me, are there any prerequisites you are feeling? Okay, in your academics, your college lecturers maybe told you, array C++ is mandatory to learn Java. Okay, wonderful. Tell me, before C language, which language you learn? Pratham Sharma? Pratham Sharma, you are telling basic C knowledge is required. Before C language, which language you learn? B language. Before B language, which language you learn? A language. Before A language, which language you learn? B language. When you can learn C language as your first language, why can't you learn Java as your first language? Come on. Think. Don't ask questions, please, Mahesh. Please wait. Let me complete this slide so that you will get all your details. Don't waste your time typing all those questions. Just listen and I reply to my questions. There are no prerequisites to learn Java from my class. I learn Java as my first language. I don't know C. I don't know C++. I learn Java as my first language. 16 years in teaching and development, I have not faced any problem. When you can learn C as a first language, okay, when you can learn your native language as your first language, why can't you learn Java? All you people are very easily catch your native language, Telugu, Hindi, Odia, Malayalam, okay, Kannada, whatever language you have, all languages you catch easily. But tell me, why you are not understanding English? Why you are not catching English language easily? Why foreigners learn English easily? Why English is easy for them and why English is not easy for you? The reason is you are learning English from your Telugu language. You are learning English from Hindi language. You are learning English from Odia language. Are you catching my point? From your native language, you are trying to learn English. That's why it becomes very tough. If you learn English as your mother tongue, if you learn English as your language, then it is easy for you, right? So make Java as your first language. Don't copy Java from existing C or C++, because Java is not a C++. C++ you should learn from C because its name is telling C++. Or first learn C, then come to plus. But Java is a new language, completely different language, not required of any other prerequisites. A bad thought created in the market by your college lecturers to learn Java, C++ required. Bonda. Java is an individual language. Your lecturers learn C and C++ and then Java. They're forcing you also learn from C, C++, Java. That is wrong. Java is an individual language. Okay. There are no prerequisites anyone can attend. Who can join this course? Very interesting. BTech students of any branch, CSE branch, ECE branch, triple E branch, MTech branch, I mean mechanical branch and civil branch. Any branch students who want to come to software industry, they can join. There is no limitation of these branches. Okay, and the next now even you are from MCA background, you are eligible. Even you from BCA background, you are eligible. Even from BSc background, BSc maths, BSc physics, BSc computers, BSc statistics, okay, which branch you have under BSc, list bother. Even you are intermediate student, plus 2 means what, 12, 11 or 12. Okay, intermediate students also, they can join. Even my batches are having high school students also. In every batch I'm having, okay, high school students, 10th class, 5th class to 10th class, I mean, I'm having many students. Okay, in this batch, anybody attending from school level? Anybody there? Can you please reply? It's a 4 o'clock time, no? School time, maybe not there. No, I want school students. Yeah, MSc also, BSc and MSc also will come. MSc students also. Simple, what I want to tell, from 5th class to MBA, from 5th class to post graduation, any background student who want to learn Java, they can join my class happily. Okay, they can join my class happily without any second thought. Okay, fine. So hope you got clarity. Okay, what the prerequisite and who can join this course. And then course material. Okay, course material and interview questions. I am going to give you course material soft copy. Okay, we will share you soft copy PDF via Google Drive. Okay, already PDFs are ready. I'll share you that Google Drive. Okay, next, assignments. I am going to give you daily assignments at end of the class as a homework. Daily assignments will be given as homework at end of the class daily. Of course, today, tomorrow will not be there, but coming classes you are going to get. Okay, na? And next, come to recorded videos. Sir, if I miss the class, will I get the recorded video? First demo classes videos will get. First 5 classes or maximum first 7 classes recorded videos you will get. Okay, na? Right. And that too also I'm not guaranteeing. Okay. So first 7 classes I can assure you may get, not guarantee. Okay. My classes are live classes. There are no recording classes. Nothing is recordings. Sir, already recording, I'm seeing the recording I'm seeing. Yeah, that is only temporary. Once I end of the session, everything is gone. Okay, once I end the session, everything is gone. Okay, right. No recordings. Every class is a live class. Is it clear my point? There is no recording. If you are capable of attending till last session as a live session, please join. Okay, sir, if I miss class, what to do? I am following the material. Na? Initial classes, definitely you are not going to miss. If initial class also, if you miss, that is wrong idea, right? If you are really first 1 month, you are not going to miss even single class, then only choose. First 1 month also I'll miss, sir, and it's bad idea really. After 1 month, if you are missing 1 or 2 classes, it's not a big deal, big problem. Okay, if not a big deal, you are going to get, soft copy na? In material, I'm following the page by page. Next 2-3 pages you can read, you will understand. Next class I'll give you revision, right? Easily you can catch. And while reading material, if you got any doubts, I'm giving my WhatsApp number, Facebook ID, group. Okay, you can post your questions and you can get clarity. Okay, na? And make sure internet connection should be there. Mobile internet connection always will be there, na? Broadband maybe you are missing, but mobile internet will be there. So recharge for next 3 months to have the full internet connection. It is your responsibility, Mr. Sriram, right? So due to internet connection, if I disconnect, that is your responsibility. You are choosing online class means you have to make sure that internet connection should be stable. Okay, go for good internet connection, right? Mobile sim in your area, which mobile is having good strength in the signals, buy that sim for this 3 months course, and later you can skip it. Okay, if you are in village, choose BSNL. Okay, if you are in village, choose BSNL, right? There is no hard copy material, only soft copy material. Buddy, next, interview preparation. I have a question. I want you prepare interview. Will you allow me to prepare interview, or you want to prepare yourself? Come on. You want to prepare interview by your own, or you want me to prepare? You must get one question. Sir, if I know how to prepare interview, why I'll come to here, sir, right? You don't know what questions are asking the interview. You don't know how to answer to that questions. Okay, it is my responsibility to make you prepare for interview also, right? I have prepared 1500 plus interview questions will be covered in as part of our course. Are you catching my point? You just relax. Until you get succeeded, it is my responsibility. I will take care of everything. That's why I'm telling you, your first interview is the last interview. Are you catching my point? Your first interview, the last interview. Why I'm proudly, confidently I'm telling, because I am covering that much depth. Are you catching my point? I will cover that much depth, including interview also. Don't worry. Everything, it's my responsibility. Now this course, I will cover up to the latest version, Java 16 version. Latest version in Java 16, up to Java 16 version. Every feature I'm going to cover. So interviewer asking any question up to Java 16, confidently you can answer it. All you people understand? So I hope I answered maximum of your questions related to our course. Okay, what is the duration? Okay, and everything. Yeah, I'm going to cover up to Java SE11 development certification. Okay, now Java 11 developer certification level, up to that I 1Z0819 is the certification number, right? Hamad Khan. Java 11 developer certification exam, up to that I will cover. Okay, I am also planning to write that exam. I am preparing. I will also make you prepare along with me. And this is the syllabus. I divided our course into 5 sections here. Java fundamentals, MVC architecture, object oriented programming, logical programming, Java API and IDEs, and then finally Java project development. So I told you I will start from zero. I'm starting from very zero level, Java fundamentals. From Java fundamentals onwards, I'm starting. Plus, I want to make you learn every topic under project development. So I'm teaching you up to MVC architecture, Java fundamentals, MVC architecture, object-oriented programming, logical programming, Java API and IDEs, Java project development. All these things you are going to learn thoroughly. Is it clear to all? And then this is the full syllabus. Totally 110 topics you are going to get. Java fundamentals, 28 topics. Observe here. Under Java fundamentals, I'm teaching every level's required set of interview questions, combining chapters. I'm teaching project. And this topic, unit 1 completed. Then go into unit 2, object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, I divided into 5 sections, okay? The first section completed. Now, first section completed. I am teaching, look at there, 500 plus complete list of interview questions and project development. Second section started, okay? Second section also started. And now here also you have, look at there, in Java 5 new feature, Java 8 new features, Java 8 new feature, Java 9 new features, okay? And everywhere interview questions and project development. So our course is not just Java, our course is project development by using Java. Once you learn some particular topic, I'm including the topic as part of that project. Are you following me? And then next, now unit number 4, Java API and IDEs, I'm going to talk collections, multi-threading, very depth, collections, very depth, multi-threading, very depth. You know, collections and multi-threading only will take almost 1 month. 1 month plus number of days we are taking. Only collections and multi-threading. You can observe how much depth I'm going to teach. Okay, exception handling, multi-threading, string handling, IO streams, networking, collections, stream API and functional API, and latest features. All these things I'm going to teach. Correct my point? And then logical programming, I'm going to teach operators, control flow statements, arrays, and where are algorithms. Under algorithms, 100 plus logical programs I'm going to give you. Okay, so by end of the course completed, you are going to become perfect in Java to develop projects. With this idea, I'm not going to give you just all these concepts in Java. Every time I'm going to cover these topics with Python. Okay, now I'm going to develop all these topics with Python. I'm going to develop. Okay, so unit number 5, project development. I will teach project development using Java. The same project you must develop in Python also, so that as we promised, we will become all-rounder. We can develop project by using any language. So the most important architectures, how I am different from other faculties, how I am different from other textbooks and websites. I'm not going to teach just Java. I'm teaching Java with internal architectures. For project development, what architecture is required. For understanding program execution flow, what architecture required. For understanding project, we need MVC architecture. For understanding programs execution flow, JVM architecture. Okay, for all object-oriented programming to understand LCRP architecture. Okay, these are the 3 architectures make me unique from other faculties, other websites, and everything. Is it clear my point? Right? Then now what is the specialty of our course? How can I guarantee you that I will make you successful in the career? For that, I planned something like this. Look at that. I make Java learning simple. Okay, Java learning is simplified. You will not just learn Java, you will become software engineer. Okay, you will not just learn Java, you will become software engineer. This is my promise. Okay, now I'm teaching core Java. How can I say that I can make you software engineer? I'm not just teaching core Java, I'm teaching core Java with project orient training with real code snippets. Real code snippet means I will give you some task and we will develop the code exactly like in the company. I don't develop like in colleges, I'll develop exactly like companies we are developing, because your success is my success. If I teach you like this, then only become software engineer, you will get job, your success will become my success. Are you catching my point? Then to make your success as my success, I'm teaching you highlights. Now companies are asking Java 8 features very strongly. And now Java 8 features, including 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 new features also will be covered. Every topic will be taught with the compiler and JVM internal algorithms so that you 100% pass every interview. 1500 plus interview questions will be covered with Java SE11. Current running certification exam number is Java 11. So Java SE11 certification bits also will be covered. Chapter wise project based case studies will be developed. You will experience the usage of every chapter in the project development by combining related chapters. Mini projects also will be developed, so that by end of this batch completed, you can think like a compiler, JVM to pass interviews, and project developer to develop projects in the company. I am ensuring that your first interview is the last interview, because I am following these mechanisms, these techniques I am teaching. That's why your first interview will be the last interview. So tell me, are you believing me that I can make you software engineer? Are you confident that, choosing me as your faculty? You want more than this? Tell me, if you want more than this, I'm ready to give you anything, whatever you're asking. So now, if you are, yeah, we are planning for lab facilities also. Soon I'm going to tell you the good news. As of now, for online batches, we have not provided any lab facilities. So in the coming days, okay, we are also planning for providing a lab with lab coordinators, online lab with lab coordinators also we are planning to provide. That good news you are going to hear very soon. And next, Java competitive code. Okay, Java competitive code, that you can come to a stage to write any code by your own. Okay, so I no need to make you prepare for competitive exam. Our course itself is to write program for anything, right? So with this knowledge, you can start work by your own. There is no guarantee for offline classes. Okay, so that hacker rank exam questions, lead code, interview bits, all competitive websites questions you can start writing by your own with this knowledge. I no need to guide you, I no need to make my mind copy into your mind. Okay, so that you can do by your own, don't worry. So that's all about our course details. Hope you are all satisfied. I have given you information about course name, course mode, course fees. Course name, Core Java with project development. Course mode is online completely. Course fees 2,500. Prerequisites, no prerequisites. Anyone can learn. Start from 5th class to up to what you call MBA, post graduation, MBA, MCA. And next, course duration 3 months minimum, daily class timing 2 hours, 4 to 6, number of working, number of hours 2 hours, and weekly number of days 6 days per week. About material, I will give you soft copy. I will prepare interview. I will prepare you for interview, and assignments I will give you. Course syllabus and versions. Okay, I given course syllabus fully. 110 topics I'm going to cover, and the latest version Java 16 version I'm going to cover. This is about our course. And now data structures I am covering as part of collections. If you want completely depth data structures, separate course you have to join by Srinivas sir. I'm not going to teach. Okay, as per Java projects development required data structures, the chapter is collections. There I will teach you. I will teach you array list. I'll teach you vector. I'll teach you stack. I'll teach you queue. I'll teach you linked list. I'll teach you hash table. I'll teach you trees. That much only I will teach. Okay, so these are the things I wanted to share you about our course. Now I'm giving you time. Now you can ask your questions. If you are having any questions, you can ask. It's a 5:30. Now you can ask. Navya, yeah, these classes, I mean, you want Java classes. Can you please unmute? Okay. Yeah, you can unmute now to talk so that I can give you guidelines correctly. Yeah, what courses you have to learn parallel to this core Java, I'll tell you tomorrow.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Navya.
Yeah, actually, I'm working in Accenture right now. I'm into manual and API testing, and I want to upgrade to automation. So I have joined Java classes. Like, after which concepts can I join parallel so that I can complete parallel? Which concepts in Java?
I mean, parallelly, you want Java complete fast or you want to join Selenium?
I'll join rest assured, but after completing which topic I can join is what I'm asking.
No. My question is not clear. You are asking Java topics parallel you wanted to learn fast to complete or you want to join for Selenium?
Selenium.
Selenium, okay. After completion of object-oriented programming means after completion of this 70 topics or 71. I think, yeah, you can say these 74 topics completed. After these 74 topics completed, you can plan for Selenium. Or if you can manage, okay, whatever they are talking, based on the faculty. If the faculty will give you some guidelines on core Java and they are teaching Selenium, after methods chapter completed, you can plan. After this 32 topic completed, you can plan for Selenium. That's depending on the faculty. That's why I'm not, it's depending on the faculty covering core Java concepts plus Selenium. After methods you can go. If he is a purely Selenium covering, you have to wait up to this 74 topics completed.
No, no, I'll wait till 74 because I have already tried the other way. The
Okay.
joining there along with Java, but it did not work out. I mean, they are not teaching so deeply like you. So that is the reason I have waited so much and joined your batch.
Yeah. So these 74 topics I'll complete in 40 days. So can you wait for 40 days?
Yeah, I will wait.
Okay. Okay. Thank
At the end, I mean, good job is important. Wasting
you.
this 40 days is nothing. I have wasted so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other person wanted to talk? Use raise button, raise hand, so that I can unmute and I can clear your questions. So don't ask the questions what I covered already. Okay, what is the duration of the course? What is the fees of the course? If genuine questions are there, then ask. Okay, don't waste other people time. Okay. Yeah, Rajesh, you can unmute. Yeah, SK Aman Sarif. Please stay away from these friends. Those are the most dangerous people. Okay. You can unmute to talk. I am working in Java last 16 years. Then why I'm not exhausted? Why? That is their feeling. Yeah. Some people will learn, will like horror movies. Some people will like comedy movies. Some people will like, good, story movies, jovial movies. It's depending on the mindset. Don't take other people. Don't be influenced by other people. If you are influenced by other people, you never achieve your career. Okay, you just concentrate. You just come to here. You just listen what I am telling, and based on my explanation, you feel what you need, what you not required. So don't think about others, don't be influenced by others. Yeah, you can join advanced Java after 1 month. Okay, after 40 days you can plan for advanced Java. I have no experience to, yeah, no. Can my job timings 9 to 6, so it's working? Guys, all your questions are scrolling up. I'm unable to answer to you. System is also got hanged. I don't know why. Okay, hold on. First, let me answer to your already asked people questions. So Sindhuja, wait. Please wait. Don't type any questions. Please wait. Please wait, Nana. Please wait. Don't type any questions. First, let me answer to the people who ask questions. Himanshu Soni, after 20 days, 6 p.m. batch will come. Okay, I answered your question. And Chanti Yadav, I told you there is no recorded videos. Every class is live class. Wait, don't post any questions. If government give permission, this batch will be online only. There is no offline. Okay, na? So Yuvraj Sinha, there is no problem for 50% in 10th class, 12th class. There are so many companies who are not worrying about a percentage. They're worrying about Java knowledge only. Okay, just you need to learn Java thoroughly and get ready for the job. Okay, not required to do Java DevOps now. DevOps you cannot understand. First you complete Java and then later you think for DevOps. Vishal. And are you starting any batch at 9 a.m.? 9 a.m. will come after 2.5 months. Do you have any batches post 6 p.m.? Yeah. 6 p.m. after 20 days will come. 8 a.m. 7 o'clock batch after 1 month. Having 3 years of experience in different sector, which is not relevant to software industry. Yeah. Sindhuja, you will get a job happily. Don't worry. Just follow tomorrow, day after tomorrow classes. You will get clarity what you need to do. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you what are the different courses you need to do as a fresher and as an experienced, so that you will get clarity. Okay. Gagan, I am 2018 EC batch passed out. What should I courses for good? That's what I'm telling. What courses you need to do tomorrow class I will teach you. Okay. Today just to make you a thought of that you become software engineer. Uh, with the PD. What the meaning of PD project? Okay. Tomorrow courses related questions I will answer tomorrow. Okay. Don't ask questions. Today explanation. If you have doubts, ask Nana. Okay. Na tomorrow class I will explain what courses you need to do. Okay. 2018 batch will get as a fresher. Also you will get as an experience. No need to worry. Data structures algorithms not required. I will teach you in the class. Ankit. Okay. Ankit, I will teach you, not required to learn. What cycle do you own, sir? Java cycle, buddy. I have 1.5 experience in sale. What software industry can I join this course? Yeah. What is your background, Sachin? BTech what? You can come, no problem. Okay. Manoj, what is your question, Anna? Can you please reply? There are so many questions coming, Rababu. It's scrolling up. After completing course, are you going to provide companies? Yeah, for freshers, we are providing companies, but not experienced people. Your book is available in Amirpet office. No, there is no soft copy. I mean, printed copy is not there. We'll teach 6 p.m. after 20 days or other. I only teach after 20 days. Sushma, I will only teach. Please answer my question. I am BCA student. Will I get job after this course? Ankit Kumar, in South India, there are no jobs for BCA students. And North India, maybe you have jobs. Okay. In North India, you may have job, but South India, you don't have jobs. So if you are just passed out now, you have to wait. Better try to do MCA. If you are already completed 1 year, 2 years before, then with the 2 years of experience, you can try job on BCA. Okay. Can you name company which comes to placement? Okay, there are so many companies are coming, including MNC companies also. Okay. To know I worked in administration recently, got interest in software. I'm eligible to course. Yes, anyone can come. I'm telling you, anyone can come to software industry. Only thing is you should learn Java thoroughly. It's enough. Uh, I will teach only in English. No Hindi. I don't know Hindi. Punit Paliwal. Punit, I will teach only in English, not Hindi. I don't know Hindi. Okay, what are the topics are going to another batches? Okay, tomorrow I'll give you the schedule. Okay, don't worry. Up to now I worked in administrative. Yeah, I told you answered only one time ask questions, but don't repeat question. Yeah, RPA is also having, I don't know, in place of RPA better choose Selenium. Okay, Devakar, better choose Selenium. Don't go for RPA. I don't think so. RPA has a good one. Yeah, as a fresher you can get job from our Naresh IT placements. Okay, Chenchu Babu, what is your question? Repeat. Can I get certification? Yeah, course completion certification will be given to you. Yeah, you can crack your placement, Aman. Okay, campus recruitment, I mean campus placement cracking is after all. Okay, big MNC companies say people are cracking with this knowledge. Okay. Yeah, always I will be jovial, Nana. Sometimes I will scold you also. Okay, I'll not be serious person. Ankit, you will get a developer, Baba. You will become developer. Just you go through my Facebook page, Java Hari Krishna. Your seniors are already shared their success story. You can go and check it out. Okay. Yeah, Pavan Kumar, civil engineer. Little bit less opportunities are there, but definitely will get job. Okay, don't worry. No offline classes, only offline online classes. Morning batch after 40 days. 7 a.m. morning batch after 40 days. Yeah, Naresh IT also providing job opportunities. You can join in Naresh IT. Through Naresh IT, you can join in real companies. Okay, na? Hope I have answered almost all your questions. Okay, still if you have any doubts, I will answer in tomorrow class. Okay. Yeah, from civil engineering also you can get job easily. Only thing is you should be strong in Java. Mechanical students also getting job, civil students also getting job. Just go through my Facebook page, Java Hari Krishna, fb.com/Java Hari Krishna. Okay, use this page. You can see your seniors has shared lot of information. Okay, Kartika, it is easy to come to development field if you learn complete course what I am telling in tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow I'll give you the guidelines of how to get a experienced person, how to get job as an experienced person. I'll tell you tomorrow. If you follow my guidelines, easily you can get as an experienced person. Okay, you can follow this page. Here I have given you, your seniors given lot of information. Okay, look at here. Many students got job before completing course itself. Many students got job before completion itself. Still, there is so many. Uh, Look at there. Your seniors will consider me as not a faculty. Consider me as a brother. Okay. I never maintain relation as a faculty with you. Look at there, Naresh ID bringing Java freshers jobs to the company. We are having placements also. Okay, 100% job guaranteed program is also there. Package 2 to 6 lakh per annum for your senior students who completed Java, Core Java, Advanced Oracle. We are conducting one exam called screening test. People who are passing this exam, okay, 9th April we are conducting exam. After completion of this exam, who are passed, they are going to be placed in placement batch. So many companies are coming. Every week we have companies. Are you catching my point? Just follow us up. Just you believe Naresh IT and join. Your job is our responsibility. Okay, na? Your job is our responsibility. Okay, today I have given you course details and your mind. Okay, tomorrow I'll talk more points about Naresh IT and our courses. Is it clear? Thank you for today class. I have class at 6 p.m. So I need to get ready for that class. I hope I answered all your questions and hope you enjoyed today class. Pawan, already I told you, Core Java, 3 months minimum. Advanced, I am not teaching. I don't know the duration. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for your patience to learn all the details. And tomorrow we will meet at 4 o'clock sharp to continue regular running topics. Thank you all. Bye-bye. 6 p.m. batch after 20 days. May first week. In May first week, you will have Java, Core Java new batch at 6 o'clock. May first week, you will have batch. Yeah, tomorrow. Shushma, tomorrow you will understand is this Core Java course sufficient to get job or not. Tomorrow you will understand, okay? 6 p.m. also online. Until government allowing to take offline, we cannot take, no? 2 p.m. I don't teach. 7, 9, 11, 4, 6, 5 batches. 7 a.m. after 40 days means April 4th week may be there. Sorry, May 4th, May 3rd week, 4th week. Thank you everyone.